Today, we're talking about how to protect your fence and ensure it lasts for years to come. Let's go over some best practices that every homeowner should know. First is regular inspections. Check your fence at least twice a year for signs of damage, rot, or pests. Catching issues early can save you a lot of hassle down the road. Second is ensure proper drainage. Water pooling near the base of your fence can lead to rot. Make sure to create a slope away from the posts and consider adding gravel or drainage pipes if necessary. Third is quality materials. When choosing materials, go for quality. Treated wood, vinyl, or metal can withstand the elements better than cheaper options. Investing in durable materials pays off in the long run. Another important practice is applying protective coatings. Stain or seal your wooden fence every few years to protect against moisture and UV damage. Vinyl fences can also benefit from a good wash to keep them looking fresh. Next is trimming vegetation. Make sure to trim any vegetation around your fence. Overgrown plants can trap moisture and lead to rot. Keep at least a few inches of clearance between your fence and any shrubs or trees. Sixth, consider installing a barrier against pests. Use metal fencing materials or barriers at the base of wooden posts to prevent termites or other insects from causing damage. Lastly, proper post installation. Ensure proper post installation. Posts should be set deep enough in the ground, about 1/3 of their height, to withstand wind and pressure. This will keep your fence stable and secure. By following these best practices, you'll protect your fence and extend its lifespan significantly. Should you need professional help, contact us at 781-767-3596 or on our website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.